So today I moved my server to an actual server rack. I got this for around $100 from China. Since I'm from the Philippines, this is free shipping overseas from China. It fits like only three P100s actually, which is fine since only three P100s is compatible with this motherboard. I do have that one slot down there, but attaching 4 GPUs to this ODEX 99 doesn't really work that well. It just crashes immediately. And this is the old case. I'm planning on putting an Epic motherboard on that one. For this one, I can attach hard drives maybe, or fans. So the other video was supposed to be uploaded last week, but I got busy with work, so here we are the following week. So I attached fans now. These are like 80 millimeter uh 80 millimeter regular fans, not the blower kind. This is just like 1000 RPM if I remember correctly. They mount to the HDD chassis like this, not in the front. It's also removable, but I got it attached to this PWM hub. For the back, it's also the same. Although one of these is attached to the motherboard and one is attached to a Molex to PWM fan thingy. It's kind of messy. I also removed the other sticks. I just uh, I just placed four 16 GBs here instead of that 108 GB configuration that I had earlier that I wasn't actually using or needed. So let's turn this on. Maybe it's this one. So today I'm planning to run a Qwen 3.8. Also, I realized MTP is actually working on multi P100s and my settings were actually kind of bad. So instead of splitting the model evenly, you should use tensor parallelism when you're using identical GPUs like this. Although it does consume more power since instead of the GPUs executing one by one, you can see it when you watch the power draw. They all execute at the same time, so it speeds up token generation and power usage and all of that. Now let's just close this and let's test Qwen 3.8 with MTP on. So now back to the model loading. So I downloaded Qwen 3.8, as you guys said. This one, the Qwen 3.8 Q8 and Q4. Well, I prefer the Q4 version since I don't get much degradation. It's just faster for me since it's lighter. I loaded that max context 262,000 with the default settings included. MTP is enabled, flash attention is also enabled. And let's run it. Loading the model. Now let's limit the power consumption. And watch it. I wonder what we should do now. Should we make it code? First, let's check the chat speeds then. Since it's using MTP, it's supposed to be way faster. I asked the AI to toast some bread. That's Qwen 3.89 billion parameter. Let's check the speeds. For prompt decoding, we're getting around 200 tokens per second, which is fine. For generation, we're getting 20. Around 20 or 15, 16. It's probably gonna be inconsistent since we're using MTP. It depends on how many tokens gets accepted, draft tokens.
Anyhow, it's fine since the context is 256. This is wrong. It should be 256. It's just displayed weirdly. C line issues. Let's just make it work. Is it done? I it took so long. I had breakfast, I took a shower, and everything. Damn. So how do we start this? Firefox index.html. That's out. This Firefox index.html. Hmm. Poor craft. What do you mean poor craft? WASD 1234. Let's see if it works. Ah, is it broken? Anyway, so it worked on my main PC, but not in this. What do I say? The server. Probably because I don't have an iGPU or it's a browser related one. This is the game in my PC, not the server. Hmm. I can see why it's called Poorcraft. It was made in like an hour or so. I only have like 3 blocks as well. And the world is very limited. Anyway, this is cool, so I should make it do other projects in other videos, actually. Well, thank you for watching. That's my testing on the Qwen 3.8. I should shut off this server now. I'm going to upload the code on GitHub if you want to see. To be fair, I gave it a pretty shitty prompt